Hello everyone, welcome to Wuhan Langyu Intelligent Technology Company. We are a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales of HMI software and hardware and terminal display products, intelligent control equipment and distribute solutions. So let's go to the company with me together. Here are our certificates. Here is our R&D department. Here is our production workshop. And now we are inside the aging room. Here is one of our most popular products. Here is the industrial LCD monitor. Here is the PC panel.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.